Hello, good day. It's another episode of Abacus Training with Mass Combat. I'd like to welcome you to today's training, and like every other training, it promises to be exciting, to be fun, and full of a lot of learning. So in the past videos, we have learned what abacus meant, and then we have also seen how to count on abacus. So we have discussed how to count unit numbers, tens numbers, 100 numbers, 1,000 numbers, 10,000, 100,000, even millions. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at addition of numbers, and you can see already on my screen I have a couple of numbers that I've written down that are going to be adding together using the abacus. But before we continue, I'm going to explain to you what we mean by no component numbers. And if you check your workbook, you will see exactly there what we mean by no component numbers. Particularly if you flip your workbook to page 55, it starts actually from 53. You will see addition of numbers and you see no component numbers. So I would like to explain what we mean by no component numbers so that you get the flow of what exactly is going on in that space. Now, in working with abacus, there are some numbers, we call them complementary numbers. And the basic complementary numbers that we have for addition and subtraction is 5 and 10. When we want to discuss 5 components or 10 components, I would explain more on what you need to do in that regard. But those are the complementary numbers. And the reason why they are complementary numbers is because we need them to be able to move all the other numbers when we are moving the beads. So you want to calculate a very big number, you probably need 5. You need to move 5 before you can move all the other numbers. Generally, in dealing with numbers, there are complementary numbers. So if I want to calculate 1% of 32,000, so I will use some complementary numbers in getting the value for that, because I know that I can use 10 component number as a complementary number. I know 10% of 32,000 is 3,200, so I can use that to get to 3,200, and then I can further dig in and find the 10% of 3,200 so that I can get 320, and that gives me 1% of 32,000 figure. So the same way, there are different complementary numbers in trying to manipulate numbers that we use generally, but for abacus, we're going to be focusing on 10 components and 5 components. So the numbers that you can see on my screen are numbers that will not require any of those components. It will not require 10 components. It will also not require 5 components. So these are the elementary parts of using abacus, and they are very, very simple and interesting. If you are able to count very well from past videos, I'm sure you will be able to do all of this very, very easily. So quickly, I will take you through on how to add some of these numbers. Remember, single digit numbers are unit numbers, double digit numbers are tens numbers, and 3-digit numbers are numbers in hundreds. Why do we need to know this? You need to know this because you need to know the number of rods that you would use in trying to calculate or in trying to perform certain operations on the abacus. So starting with 5 plus 2, how do we count 5? 5 is a unique number. This is 5 plus 2. I move 2, and that's exactly what 7 looks like on abacus. 5 plus 2 is 7, and you know that when you add 5 plus 2 together, generally you have 7. Let's do some more interesting numbers. 25 plus 3, 2, 5, that is 25, plus 3, move 3, and then you have 28. The next number on the screen is 65 plus 21. Now let's do that. 65 is 6, 5, 6, 5, that's 65, plus 21, 2, 1. You can see now, what do we have there? We have 8, 6. So 65 plus 21 is 8, 6. Again, 3 plus 5. You reset your abacus, and then you do 3 plus 5. 3, yeah, that's 3. You want to add 5, add 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. The next one I have is 32 plus 51. 32 plus 51. 32 plus 51. 32 plus 51. What is that? That is 83. So we want to do some more bigger numbers. 251 plus 120. So just follow my example. You can also follow this with your own abacus. and you have your workbook, you have loads and loads of questions that you can use to practice in your workbook. 251 plus 120. 251 plus 120. 1200. You don't perform any operation. And what's that answer? This is 3, this is 7, this is 1. So 371. 325 plus 502. 325 plus 502. 50. I won't put anything here. 2. I'll put 2 there. Then what's my answer? My answer there is 827. 827. So I can come here and then put 827. Again, I have 220 plus 153. Let's go again. Reset your abacus. Reset your abacus and then do 220. 220. You see 0? I don't move any of the B's when I'm counting 0, and I explained that to you already. 153. Put 1 here. Put 5 here. Put 3 here. What do you have? You have 373. 373. And then we can come to the board and write 373. Again, we have 904 plus 25. Reset your abacus. Count 904 plus 25. Count 909. You see how I'm using my index and thumb finger. 904. On this rod, I'm not going to put anything because it's 0. On this rod, I'm going to put 4. I move 4. Plus 25. Plus 2 here. Plus 5 there. What do I have? I have 929. 929. So I can come to the board and then put down 929. Then finally on this list we have 625 plus 203. 625 plus 203. Reset your abacus. Do 625 plus 203. Put 6 here, put 5 here. Sorry, put 2 here, put 5 there. Add 2, 0 and 3. 2, 0. You don't add anything. 3. Yeah. What do we have? We have 828. Beautiful. 828. I'll come to the screen and then put 828. What I want to do is I want us to go to the workbook. If you have your workbook, you can flip. So this is the workbook here. If you have your workbook, you can flip to the page where we have addition of numbers, the no component numbers. So here we have it. So I'll be taking some exercises here. If you are there together with me, you can follow. So this is page 53, and then we can do this together using the abacus. Okay, so if I'm going to be using the workbook, please make sure that your abacus is on reset, and then I'll take some questions randomly from the workbook and then we can solve together. I will also try to write on the screen for those people who probably do not yet have their workbook with them. Okay, here we go. So we have some numbers to play with. The first number I would like us to play with is 2512 plus 5100 plus 1121 plus 1010. You see, this is quite some number. Can we go ahead and solve? If you are ready as a math combat champion, you want to solve this problem. 2512 plus 5100 plus 1121 plus 1010. Can we do this together? If you are ready, let's go. Grab your abacus, reset your abacus to 0.0, and then we can begin. The beautiful thing here is that all of them are 4-digit numbers. So you're only going to be working with 4 rods. It means you're working with 4 rods, you're going to be starting from the rod with green beads here. Can we do that? We can begin to calculate. So we have 2512 plus 5100 plus 1121 plus 1010. You see? And we have our answer right there. What exactly is my answer? My answer is 9743. We have 9743. Can you see how with Abacus we can begin to solve very big numbers? It's getting interesting, isn't it? I think we can go again. Let me put up the board and then we can try another set of numbers. Are you ready? Are you good to go? Okay. Question number 2. I have 1165. 1165 plus 1720. I'm looking at question 15 in the workbook. Plus 5012 plus 1100. I think we can solve this. If you have already gotten this, then you are a champion already. So this is page 53 of the workbook, question number 15. That is the problem we are trying to solve now. Reset your abacus very quickly. Like I told you, you can just raise this up and then move all the heavenly bits upward, and then we can go. This is also 4-digit numbers. Makes it interesting and easy. We're starting from the green rod, and then we can go. We have 1165 plus 1720 plus 5012 plus 1100. What do we have? We have 8997. 8997. Good. Yeah, let's try some more problems. Yeah, before we call it a wrap with this, and then we'll move to subtraction. In our next video, we're going to be going to subtraction of numbers, no component numbers. Yeah. Okay. I'll do like 2 more. Maybe I'll just put the 2 together here and then we can look at it. So let's look at question number 30. This is like a big one. Question number 30. We have 130121 plus 151100. So like I said, you have a comma here, you have a comma here, you know, plus 105000 plus 101112. You know, so that's our question from page 54, question number 30 of the Maths Comeback workbook. That's the question we want to solve. How do we go about that? My abacus is on reset on point 0. These are 6-digit numbers, not 5-digit numbers. We're going to be starting from red instead of yellow. Can we go now? 130121. 130121 plus 151100 plus 105000 plus 101112. So my answer is 487333. 487333. Let me just do that again so that we are sure we have not made any error. You know, once again, 130121 and then 151100, then 105000 plus 101112. Yeah, we were correct. So we have 487333. Our final answer is 487333. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's take one more and then we call it a wrap for addition of numbers with no component. You can go back to the workbook and solve all the problems that you have there. I've only just done a few of them for you so that you can get started with it. So let's do one more. I'm going to be looking at from page 54. I'll be solving question number 19. From page 54, I'll solve question number 19. That's, I have 51,201. These are 5 digits plus 11 182 plus 500 plus 11005. So that's the question we have for now to solve, and then we will wrap up this addition of numbers here. Are we good to go? Can we just quickly reset our abacus? Yeah, beautifully. Please reset your abacus and then let's get it going. We are working with 5 rods because these are 5-digit numbers. Sometimes you may have to add 5-digit numbers together with 3-digit numbers, together with 2-digit, depending. All you have to do is note the number of digits you are adding every time you want to add, or anytime you want to perform an operation. And I said it at the beginning, if you're performing any operation, you must note how many digits you're working with. It's very, very important that you know that, so that you do not make any mistake. But trust me, even if you make a mistake, you will spot it. Okay, so let's go ahead and add this. 5-digit numbers. We're going to be starting from yellow this time around. I'm just going to start from yellow, the row with yellow bits. So I have 51201 plus 11182 plus 15500 plus 11005 plus 11005. Can you imagine? Our answer is 888888. So let me get that. I'll put that on the board. 888888. That's our final answer. Isn't that beautiful? So this is it. We have come to the end of addition of numbers with no components. We do not have to move the complementary numbers of 5 and 10 while we are solving this. And it's beautiful. If you are playing the Maths Plumber board game, most of the questions you have with the blue cards are no component cards. If you have any questions or comments, you can just drop it in the comment box on this video, and then one of our partners will pick it up and attend to it immediately. If your parents have not joined the community, you can also link up from some of our social media channels to join the community. There are a lot of stuff going on in the community. There are fastest finger meetings going on for children to come together every weekend to test their skills of how they are performing with the abacus. Also, we have the digital school, we have the art school, a lot of stuff happening in the community. You just want to get on board. And all of these things are available to you, accessible to you, mostly free. So you need to make the most of this opportunity to learn, to develop yourself, and be the best that you have been created to be. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.